Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR portable electric hoist. So we got our instructions. It actually comes with 2 remotes and batteries for them. Here's our wired controller. So looks and feels like a very nice heavy-duty industrial box. We also got a spot right here where we can tether that up if we want to. And it looks like we got a nice long cord, and that will attach with a 3-pin connector. That's cool. So this actually comes with a strap. So if you need to find a way to rig up whatever it is you're going to be lifting, you can be able to use this to help you out. We got some gloves, and we got some anchors. So if we need to attach some kind of an eyelet or something like that, we'll have this to make that happen. And it actually comes with an eyelet. So we can actually take this, mount that up, and then we can attach our hoist directly onto this eye. And here is our hoist. We got a hook on the top. It does swivel, so you don't have to worry about binding anything up. I also like that it has the capacity to rock back and forth. It does feel fairly stiff, so you don't have to worry about just kind of swinging around. We got our power cord on the side. This is going to use regular household power. Power switch. And then we got a port for our wired controller. For our bottom, we do have a nice thick hook as well. It also has a spring clip, a decently thick cable on here with a rubber stopper, and with a spring strain relief. Nice large plate as well. So here we got a metal surface table, and you can see that this thing is decked out with all kinds of metal, and we even got a little bit more on the back side. So I'm going to use the strap that it came with, and it looks like this is about 5 feet long. And let's go lift this guy. Yeah. Cool. So it is able to lift that guy up. Sweet. So let's see if the remote works. I'm just going to use the batteries that came with it. Cool. Nice. So I didn't have to worry about programming or anything. Basically, as soon as I put the batteries in, this was ready to go. Cool. So yeah, very nice to having the option of using this thing wired or wirelessly. That way you don't have to worry about ever changing the batteries. And also, if you lose a remote, you're still going to be able to make this guy work. And something I didn't notice until just now is there's actually a switch on here as well. So even if you lose both the wired remote and the wireless remotes, or even if you just want to control this thing by hand without any remotes, you can do that with this. So lots and lots of features. But overall, that is a very capable hoist.